Yeah, being the Bennett, true. Look, boys and girls, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Burger King? No, Bargo King. So lately, I've just been really in tune with my creative side of things. Check it out. This is straight and white, right? What if it was black? Boom. Now we're talking. So I made this, right? I made this a while back, probably like a week ago, maybe 2 weeks ago. And I was like, man, this is just lit. I want it. I'm out here just being creative, doing what I'm doing. So, and then I wanted it. And then I went and I made that happen. You feel me? Because I'm a go getter. So, when I want something, I go get it. And when I make something in my head, I make it happen. Hold on. There's dogs outside. Okay, they're not outside no more. And I made it happen. And I made it happen. And I just have to show y'all this. Because this right here is stupid lit right now. It's stupid. Bros, I put this together, dog. Look. Oh, is that not hard, bro? It's on a hoodie. It's on a hoodie. I haven't worn it yet. I should probably wear it right now. You know what I'm saying? But it's like, it's just not the time. It's not the time to wear it right now. Look, what I did was, we put this effect on it here. It's like we did a little bit of that. Yeah, we definitely did that. Yeah. I don't know, but I just be creating stuff and I just be like, yo, run it. And they put this circle behind it, which made it look more legit. Damn, that looks pretty legit though. But I ain't even tripping. You know what I'm saying? Cause boom, we made it. I just wanted to share this with my goons. Wanted to share this with y'all because I be out here making it happen for real. But this is very much beta. You dig what I'm saying? Where's my phone at? Cause let me show y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's the first one, but it's not perfect though. But it's like lit, good enough. You know what I'm saying? We're just going over it together. But it's stupid hard. You know what I'm saying? 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 Alright, cause look, you see? Like, I don't know what's going on there. But the thing is, this whole fabric, whatever we got going on, like, I don't even know what that's called. Look, we didn't have enough blue to go all the way through. So it's like, bro, it's not perfect. It's beta. But it's lit, though. Because I really put it together. You feel me? Like, I really was like, yo, I have a vision. And let's go make it happen. It's just lit, bro. It's just lit. I don't know. I just wanted to share that with all my homies out there that are trying to be creative and they're like, nah, maybe I can't make this happen. I just want to say you can make it happen for sure. Oh, and on the plus, we got a hat. Yeah. It came with a hat. You know what I'm saying? I put a hat to that thing. So we just lit. I don't know. Just wanted to show y'all my new hoodie. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to show y'all my new hoodie. Yeah, that's really it. I just wanted to show y'all my new hoodie because it's lit. What else is lit? I'm gonna start making more videos like this where I'm just chit chatting with my goons. This is lit. For sure. For sure. For sure. Car seat freestyles. Look, 1 day ago. 22 hours. At 1 o'clock, there's another one's gonna drop. I'm gonna drop a car seat freestyle. Well, I'm just cooling it, freestyling with my boys in the car. I'm gonna drop one every day at 1 o'clock. It's scheduled. It's scheduled to drop every day. I'm not even advertising it like, oh, go listen. Bro, this shit is just gonna do its own thing. But this right here is stupid hard. I'm just happy, you know what I'm saying? Like, just, it's lit. I haven't put it on yet, but I can't wait to put it on. Yeah, we up. I will never look at the Burger King sign the same again. But you dig, Abby in a minute, Abby out this minute, just showing off. I'm just showing off. True.